If you want to learn how to make this delicious sesame seed whole wheat bread, then what? Keep watching this video.
Hello, my healthy people. Welcome back to Maxine's Corner. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make some delicious bread. 5 ingredients. What you see in front of you is the pot that I'm going to be using to make the bread in. Okay, so that's the first thing that you're going to need. You got to make sure that the pot that you use is oven safe. Okay. All right, so we're going to be using that. Here I have 3 cups of flour, and the flour that I'm using is whole wheat white flour. Okay, so I have a cup and a half of water here, and this is hot water. It's about 130 degrees Fahrenheit, but I use tap water, filtered tap water, and I just use my thermometer and measure it to make sure that it's at the right temperature. You can do the same as well. So there I have my active dry yeast. Absolutely love using that. That's the active dry yeast, guys. I also have my sesame seeds, and I have 1 teaspoon of salt. I find that you're going to need a little bit more salt for this. And guys, those are roasted sesame seeds. Absolutely love them. Let's just put all our ingredients together. I'm adding my salt, and to that I'm going to go ahead and add my active dry yeast. Everything that you're going to need for this recipe is going to be in the description box. Don't worry about it. And then I'm just going to mix everything together, and now I'm adding my water. So guys, what happened with the water is that I had my daughter throwing everything in, and I found that as she was throwing in the water, this is a cup and a half, she added way too much. There she goes, throwing the whole thing in, and I was just adding a little bit at a time. So what happened is, after I mixed everything together, I start to see that, okay, it's a little bit too much water. So what I did was I just added an extra half a cup of flour. And once again, the flour that I am using is whole wheat flour, white whole wheat flour. And I just mixed everything together. And once you mix everything together, it's going to look something like that. And that's exactly what you're looking for. Now you're just going to cover it up. And this is probably the most work. The hardest part is just waiting around, right? So it's been 2 hours. It's a little jiggly. That's what it looks like. I'm going to put some flour on the surface just so it won't stick to the surface. Remove it from the pan. And once you remove everything from the pan, as you may see, it's a little sticky. Don't worry about it, guys. Once you remove everything from the pan, and my little daughter, look at her little hands. I added some flour to the surface, and this is the most work that you're going to have to do as far as this bread is concerned. It's so simple and easy to make, guys. If you love what you see, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It's absolutely free. Give the video a big thumbs up. And I'm just working it in as I added a little bit more flour to my surface. And once I do that, I just roll it into a ball, pretty much like that. It's simple and easy, just so it won't stick too much, and that's the main purpose of me rolling it into a ball. Once I have it rolled into a ball, I'm gonna put it in my pan again, right, with some baking sheet, and then I'm gonna leave it there. Then after I do that, I'm pretty much just going to add my sesame seeds now. These are my roasted sesame seeds. Now, I'm not going to put a measurement on this, so you can put as much as you like on it. But, you know, I just put a little bit on top. And, of course, you can get the kids involved as well. See my daughter there. She loves it. She enjoys cooking with me as well. So this is fun for the kids. Now, while that's happening, my pan was inside of the oven at 450 degrees, and it's pretty hot for about 30 minutes. And then once I remove the top, you see I'm wearing my gloves because I don't want to get burned. And I'm going to just take this, my bread, after 2.5 hours or 3 hours, is pretty much up to you. And I'm going to cover it up, and I'm going to put it inside of the oven for 30 minutes. 30 minutes later, this is what the bread looks like. You can see those delicious roasted sesame seeds. Go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up because that bread looked so absolutely delicious. But I wanted to have a little bit more crisp to it. So what I'm going to do to this, as you may see, I'm feeling it right now. It feels pretty good. But because I want a little bit more crisp to it, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover it back up, right? And then I'm going to put it in the oven for another 10 minutes. And there it is, 10 minutes later. This is what it looks like. You see the crisp, it's crisped up, has a nice crust to it. Absolutely delicious. It sounds so good. Look at that, nice and soft and moist. Love it, love it, love it, guys. If you love this video, if you enjoyed these type of videos, or if you want me to make something specific, please let me know. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It's absolutely free. Give the video a big thumbs up. I can't wait to dig into this. The kids can't wait to dig into this. The whole family's gonna love this recipe. Look at it. Look at that deliciousness. I love, 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 love it. Simple and easy. Not a lot of work. That's all I have for Maxine's Corner today, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel one more time and say it with me. Stay healthy.